Hey everyone, we recently stayed at the La Quinta Inn and Suites at the Oklahoma City Airport, and we wanted to share our experience with you in case you're considering staying at this hotel. Got a nice sink here, white countertop, nice big lit mirror. It's awesome. And we've got the shower, the glass shower door. Very nice. All right, guys, so as nice as this room is, unfortunately, we have had a little bit of an issue. So the room we booked on Expedia's website showed that this was a room that had a king bed in an additional room. And as you can see here, there is no additional room. So talk to the front desk, also talk to Expedia. It turns out that the listing for this specific hotel, and there's a light flickering too, which is not good, but it turns out that the specific listing for this hotel room, it's supposed to be a one bedroom suite, but they just have it listed as a deluxe room in two different ways. So it's kind of confusing. There's a picture on the website that shows that it has the additional room, but unfortunately that's incorrect. Now, the reason I'm going through this and telling you all about this is because if you're trying to book this hotel yourself, just be aware, because they said that they actually can't change the pictures on the listing. Hopefully by the time you guys see this video, that will be fixed, but in the off chance that it isn't, just be aware of that so you know what you're getting. Now at the front desk, they were really nice. They did offer us to upgrade to the correct room for like another 25 bucks or so, but because we're only here for one night, we didn't think that was a good option for us. We just need a place to sleep so we can continue on with our trip. Okay, Kagan, what do you think of the stay here last night?
It was good. It was kind of hard for me to fall asleep, but it was good.
Why was it hard for you to fall asleep?
I mean, it wasn't, but I mean, it was good.
Do you like the hotel?
Yes.
What's your favorite part?
I don't know.
You don't know yet? What about breakfast?
I don't know.
All right, let's go find out. Ice machine's got to be around here somewhere.
Oh, it's right here.
Did you find it? Shh, that's the elevator. Very cool. All right, now we can go get breakfast. Yogurt, fruit, we got cereal, we got coffee, drinks. We've got some
Orange juice.
We've got some bananas.
Muffins.
Yep, we've got a waffle maker. We've got mini waffles we can make, and we've got some eggs and sausage.
Yeah. Sausage.
Yep, sausage. All right, let's check out the fitness center. All right, don't get on equipment, okay? Because you're too young. Man, it's hot in here. What's the, oh, someone put it at 98 degrees. I'm gonna...
I think you're supposed to lower it.
I don't know about that. 80 degrees. Wow, I think someone turned it up. And you can get to the pool from here too. That's kind of cool. You want to go look at the pool?
Sounds fun with me.
Is it warm water or cold water? A little cold?
Yeah.
So there's the pool. So you can see we're kind of surrounded by other hotels here at this one. You've got the Residence Inn by Marriott right there, and then you've got the True Hotel by Hilton there. So this is kind of a, like this whole block that we're on, where we're staying at this hotel, it's kind of just jam-packed with hotels. That looks good.
I don't know how to eat this.
Just,
I mean, I do, but it's pretty hot, probably. There are many.
they are many.
It's miniature pancakes or waffles. Miniature waffles.
That's good.
Okay, me and Kim are coming down. We just didn't want you guys to come up if you guys were still eating.
Yeah, we're still here. You can come on down.
Okay, love
All right.
you. Coming.
Love you. Bye.
Bye. Love you.
So how'd you sleep? Are you well rested for today? How's the muffin?
Good.
Cayman, how are you doing?
I woke up 5 minutes ago.
So far, so good then?
So far, so good.
Ready for the next adventure?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.